Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I've got a really cute card to share with you today, and this is using some new product out of the Occasions catalog. Stunning card. It's kind of got that stained glass effect. Well, that's what I was going for. So I'm going to show you how we made today's card. For my card base today, I'm using powder pink, and this is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. The Designer Series paper is cut at 5 1/2 by 1 1/2, and this is the Painted with Love Specialty Designer Series paper. I just found a scrap piece of Sweet Sugar Plum, and this is 1 1/4, but this one here is 2 inches. So I just I'm using just my scraps because I'm trying to free up my space. I've got a lot of scraps. So I'm just going to attach this to my card. And again, I'm just going to cut whatever's excess is left. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. Like so. Got a little bit too much glue. Oops. Just going to cut away the excess. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab my piece of vellum. I got glue on that paper. I have my vellum paper. I have my embossing buddy. Whenever you emboss, you always want to make sure you use this little embossing buddy, and that gets away any oils that is on the paper. I could never ever figure out why I couldn't get a nice image when I embossed, and then I realized it's because I didn't have this guy. I have my Versamark ink. I have the butterfly, and this is from the Beautiful Day. Love this stamp set. Nice big images, these guys. So I'm just going to ink the butterfly up with my Versamark ink. I'm now going to take my gold embossing powder and I'm going to sprinkle that. Actually, you know, I better put this away because my luck, I will mess this everywhere. You just want to lightly tap on the back just to get any excess off. And you want to go and heat set this with your heat tool, which I have already done. I didn't want you to hear that noise. So when you heat set it, it's going to look like this. You're going to flip it over to the back, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your Stampin' Blends, and the colors that I used was the dark rich razzleberry and the dark pink pirouette, and you're going to color in the back of your butterfly. So I did. Now you'll notice on your Stampin' Blends you've got a brush tip and you've got a writing tip. So depending on what you want to do, and I just went ahead and colored on the back of the butterfly And then I fussy cutted him out. So when you flip him over, that's what it looks like. I have my clear Wink of Stella, and just to give the butterfly a little bit of sparkle, just on these corners here with the rich razzleberry, I put a little bit of the glittered Wink of Stella, the clear. And it just made the butterfly sparkly, which I thought was really pretty. Now with vellum cardstock, look how pretty that is. Can you see that in there? Oh, it's beautiful. With vellum cardstock, if you use specific types of glue behind it, you can see the glue. So what I did was I took my glue dots and I attached 3 glue dots behind his body, like so. And then I put it on my card at an angle and kind of popped up the wings a little bit, because I wanted it to look kind of 3D'd, like the butterfly was flying. But isn't that pretty? Now I left the front blank. I didn't put a sentiment on the front, but I did put one on the inside. And the inside is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And from the same stamp set, I heat embossed the happy birthday. And then there's these little random little flowers, which I thought was pretty. And so I just randomly stamped those. Such a beautiful card, you guys. And again, all the measurements about today's project will be over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.